Section 7, Video 2. In this video, we will review design best practices for memory. Host memory must be large enough to accommodate all the active memory of all the VMs that are deployed on that host. ESXi uses 5 memory management techniques or mechanisms like page sharing, ballooning, memory compression, swap to host cache, and regular swapping. These dynamically reduce the amount of machine physical memory that is required for each virtual machine. Ensuring memory reclamation tools like Balloon Driver, which is part of VMware tools, TPS, transparent page sharing, and memory compression techniques are enabled. Allocating enough memory to hold the working set of all applications that will run in the virtual machine. Comparing consumed memory and active memory. If consumed is higher than active, this suggests that the guest is currently getting all the memory it requires, which provides best performance. In the event SSD storage is not available, place the regular swap file on the fastest available storage that you have in the environment. Overcommitting memory is recommended, however, within bounds. Absence of ballooning suggests that ESXi is not under memory pressure. When overcommitting memory with ESXi, ensure sufficient swap space on your ESXi system. When a virtual machine is powered on, a swap file is created equal in size to the difference between the virtual machine's configured memory size and its memory reservation. ESXi allows the use of a system swap file to reduce this memory overhead by up to 1 GB, especially when the host is under memory pressure. For best performance, ensure swap files are not on thin provisioned storage. Memory reservations reduce the number of virtual machines that can be run on a system. So configure reservation, keeping in mind that this will reduce the capacity of ESXi host. ESXi keeps available enough host memory to fulfill all reservations, which includes virtual machines and any overhead memory. ESXi won't power on a virtual machine if doing so would reduce the available memory to less than the reserved amount, which is also called admission control. To summarize, we looked at memory optimization best practices and review of memory reclamation techniques. In the next video, video 3, we will review best practices for networking. Thank you.